Hey guys, are you looking to figure out the exact rail spacing you need for your fencing project? Well, in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to figure that out. Here we go. All right guys, so we're going to show you a real life scenario that we have here at Seven Peaks Fence Barn. This is our entryway to our location here in Godley, Texas, okay? And we actually have 88 feet from here, go around the corner up to our entryway, okay? 88 feet. So now we recommend to do 10 feet in between each post, okay? But at 88 feet, you're left with that 8, and we want to make sure that you set that up properly so it looks good, it's symmetrical, it's even, it's balanced. And so that's what we're going to show you in this video. But to start off, we're going to figure out how many posts we need. So if you got 88 feet and we go every 10 feet, so you divide it by 10, you're at 8.8 posts, okay? Well, you're always going to need a start or a 0 mark for your post. So you're going to have a starter post. And now if there's a number after the decimal, so 8.8, when you divide it, you're going to add another post. So we're going to add 2 posts, your starter post and another post after because of the decimal. And so here, as you can see, we've got 10 posts is what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 posts. Now we want to make sure they're evenly spaced. So let's jump on into the whiteboard and we're going to show you exactly how that works so you have a perfect, balanced, beautiful fence. Let's go check it out. All right, the first thing that you're going to need to figure out the spacing for your fence post, make it symmetrical and even and balanced, is the total linear footage or the perimeter feet of your project. So we're going to go with 88 feet. I already got that. If you need to figure out the linear footage or the perimeter of your property for their fencing project, be sure to watch this video. We go in depth and detail on a few different ways on how to get that, figure that out for yourself. So we've got 88 feet, okay? And the next thing you need to know is the spacing. Now, I know we're talking about figuring out the spacing, but there's a recommendation that people always go by based on your fence, building your fence. So we recommend 10 feet, okay? But you can't get 10 feet on all of it. As you can see, we're at 88 feet, so I'm going to show you how to figure that out, okay? So we're going to do 10 feet is what we recommend for our post spacing. If you want a stronger, more sturdier fence, you can always go with a smaller spacing, like an 8 foot. 6 feet might be a little much, but you can always do whatever you want. So 8 to 10 feet is what we recommend. So if we want to go 10 feet, okay, and figure out how many posts we need and evenly space those through that 88 feet. We're going to do that right now, okay? So we're going to divide that. Hey, if you're finding value in these videos, be sure to like and subscribe so we can help you on your next fencing project. Thanks, guys. So 88 divided by 10, we're at 8.8 feet, or really that's posts, okay? We're trying to do 8 feet. So we got 8.8 posts. And we're trying to do 10 feet spacing in between each one, okay? So 8.8 posts, but when we do this, we always need a starting point or a 0 mark, okay? So you always add at least 1, but if there's a number after the decimal, you're gonna be adding 2, okay? So this one, because there's 8.8, there's a number after the decimal, we're gonna be doing 10 posts, okay, to do our 88 feet, okay? So we're going to start off and we're going to do 10 posts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so that's our 10 posts. We've got 88 feet. Okay, so now to figure out the best way to space it evenly is to start off by going in between everything but your 2 ends, okay? So we're gonna go right here, and we're gonna go in between this one, this one, this one. Okay, and those numbers are gonna be our 10 feet, okay? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10, okay? So we're left with our 2 ends. Okay, we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 feet, okay? And we need to figure out the total of 88 feet. We're still left with 2 spacing. So we got 88 feet minus this 70, okay? So if we minus 70, we're left with 18 feet, okay? So we got 18 feet in between these two spaces. We're gonna divide that by 2. It's gonna give us 9 feet, okay? So if we do 9 feet, 9 feet, we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 79 plus 9 is gonna give us 88, okay? So that is how to easily figure out, 1, the number of posts you need, and 2, the even spacing, the symmetrical, the balanced spacing for your fence project. Hopefully we helped answer a lot of your questions pertaining to post spacing when you're building your fencing project. Stay tuned for the next video. We'd love to help you out on more information on horse and livestock fencing. Thanks, guys.